Notion Mail is here, and it's the biggest shakeup to email since the introduction of tabs. If you find yourself losing track of work inside a chaotic, chronological inbox, Notion Mail promises to turn that mess into a streamlined, prioritized database. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate 10-minute tutorial and guide. We're going from setup to advanced AI filtering, demonstrating the 3 features that make it unique, and telling you which 2 major limitations will keep it from replacing Gmail completely for some users. Let's start the clock and jump in. First, the setup. You need a Gmail or Google Workspace account to use Notion Mail. It works as a specialized, powerful client on top of Google's secure infrastructure. It is not an independent email service. To get started, simply download the desktop app or access it via the web. Click Sign in with Google, and if your email matches your Notion Workspace email, you're instantly connected. The first thing you'll notice is the design. It's clean, minimalist, and uses the familiar Notion sidebar and reading pane. Before we customize anything, go to Settings, Inbox, and change the thread style to side peek or full page. Choose the viewing style that best fits your screen, just like customizing a page in your main Notion workspace. This is the entire philosophy of Notion Mail, treating emails like database items. Traditional email uses static folders. Notion Mail uses dynamic views. Click plus new view in the sidebar. Let's create our first view manually. Invoices and receipts. Click Filter and set Subject to Contains and type Invoice or Receipt. Add a second filter, From to Not Contains, and add your own work email. Now change the Group By setting to Domain. Now all invoices are grouped by the company they came from, making reconciliation effortless. This is where the paid Notion AI subscription comes into play, and it's a game changer. Click the Auto Label option at the top of your inbox. Tell the AI, create a label called Urgent Client Action that tags any email from clients that contains the phrases ASAP, Emergency, or Deadline Missed. The AI creates the label, and you choose how it behaves. Show an inbox for highlighting, or filter from inbox to clean up the main view. This instantly turns your inbox from a static list into a constantly sorted, prioritized dashboard. The Email Composer is a full-fledged Notion editor. Use / commands to add callouts, headings, and bullet lists directly into your email. This instantly makes your replies clearer and more actionable. Never type the same email twice. Click the HTML icon or type /snippet. Snippets are reusable templates that can include dynamic placeholders like recipient.firstname. Create a snippet called Project Update Request. When you insert it, it pops in a perfectly formatted template with the recipient's name already personalized. This is a massive time saver for repetitive client communication. Type /schedule to integrate directly with Notion Calendar. A panel pops up showing your availability. You select a few open slots, and Notion Mail generates a link that the recipient uses to book the meeting directly onto your calendar, eliminating the endless back and forth. This is the segment where we address the elephant in the room. The question is not just, is it a wrapper, but how deep is the integration with my databases? The good news, composing, when writing an email, you can use the @mention command to pull a link or a summary from a Notion page. The AI can also reference a Notion page to draft a reply based on that document's content. The bad news, the workflow, as of 2025, the deep database integration is limited. You cannot simply drag an incoming email onto your client database or your project tasks board to automatically create a new database item with the email details attached. Power users were hoping for this one-click workflow, and its absence is the biggest friction point. You will still need a third-party automation tool like Zapier for true bidirectional linting. Limitation 2, the multi-account barrier. If you manage multiple email accounts, work, personal, freelance, you have to switch between them in Notion Mail, similar to switching workspaces in Notion. There is no unified inbox view to see all emails at once, which is a deal breaker for heavy multi-account users. The cost. Notion Mail is free to use for the core client, views, filters, and manual snippets. However, the best, most game-changing features, the AI auto-labeling, the AI drafting, and the advanced context-aware replies, are tied to the Notion AI subscription. You get a trial, but long-term you must factor in this additional cost. Final verdict: switch or skip. Switch if you are a dedicated, overwhelmed Notion user. The AI views alone make your inbox manageable, and the clean interface improves focus. Skip if you are a multi-account power user who needs a unified inbox, or if you require deep one-click CRM integration that Notion Mail still lacks. If you're ready to transform your inbox into a structured, automated database, the link to download the desktop app is in the description below. Go try those custom views. Let me know in the comments, what is the one AI feature you wish your current email client had?